touching on my place. See I look around all over the place. You mention my name. Who you?
Hear me, sir, brother. You see me call a name out of my mouth. I don't even know you. Who you, man?
Hey, boy. Hear me, I say. Left from out here. As a matter of fact, don't make me circle back and you're still there. Don't chat to you.
That you say? Alright, cool. Cool, man. You're a place, man. Yeah, I'm say watch me on the board there next time I see him. Anytime I buck him again. So watch where I got him. Yo, Jaja. Where the tickers I come from? Excuse me? Are you talking to me? Sorry, to be honest, I was just singing a song. That's okay. Do you have any idea what time the bus should be here? Oh dear, I'm sorry. I can't really tell. But the bus usually passes by every 30 minutes. Okay. Thanks for your information. No problem. Anything for you, alright? Yo, man, I like to be proper. Hey, that's a femi. I forget that. Wait, what? What, my general? Yeah, come talk about what, my general. Match his stick. Where my money there? After hours, money there, brother. Yes, father. I'll give you back your money. Me go help my uncle down the road and see if me can do some work with him and get back money so me can pay you back. Yeah, I go work with your uncle and try get some money and then pay me back. So me for wait for you no Majestic for my money. Yeah, Majestic. You know, sir, I show me a hurt juvenile, brother. Make me not boom something in the head already. Majestic, don't play with my money, alright? Me and you are a friend, but me and you have money and a friend. You hear me, I say? Majestic, you know the wickedest part? You make me walk go all the way around Monkey Town. Go look for Vice. Me and a man motor catch up, brother. And the boy had a bother upon himself with man stick. You nearly make me all mash up span around there, brother, for my $10, you know. Yeah, more of my $10. Yeah, and a man more catch up, brother. Who him? I'm still. Man, look a waste boy, man. In here long. I be a tough him a tough up film face and him voice sound rough. Be excitement the boy create pan man round there now. But watch me and him, man. And him buck him back in the streets, man. Come ask man where I come from. Watch how I go on. Yeah, my general. A voice, man. Anybody walk around a Monkey Town? Him always ask them, hey boy, how are you? Where you come from? A voice, man. Go inside one, man. I ain't talk about $10. Serious, Majestic. I am name voice. I am really take away $10 from you. Yo, look how I could have boom something at the boy head, man. Jesus, peace. Can't believe. Yo, a joke thing you tell me that day. Alright. Don't say a word. Don't say a word. Can't believe son of boy that. No. Joke thing. Hold on a Majestic. I'll ask you a question. You know me I come from down the road like a while and me pick up something for me eyeball. I look at tickers at the bus stop. Where she come from? I just my boy has to live. Oh, oh, me know who you attack. She wear glasses? Yeah, man. She come from round there, someone. Right round there, she come from. Hey, Majestic, stop laughing thing, now, brother. You can't laugh, so. Take her thing for joke. Yeah, you not for laugh, you know. You see, ugly, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So if it's serious, man. So, yeah, man. So, you know, I look a joke, man, brother. Big man thing, do a Majestic. Yeah, me go want that, you know. Yeah, man, I feel me that, you know, Majestic. So, here we go on. Anytime you walk in the street, if you're going to the road and you see it, you make me know where I go on, see? Yeah, man, just put in something for me, man. Cause me not lie. Yo, but it's shy when time she stop me still and I ask her if I talk to her. Nah, like she catch me off guard. I'm never really prepared still. I don't know. I'm never in a gallus for your mind. Cause the boy voice kind of upset on my spirit, you see it? But yo, if you see her, just put in a word with me, man. Just friend her up and talk to her, man. You don't know me, I can't do the maths, man. You don't have to pay about the $10. One thing matches stick. You have to stress yourself out, brother, about the $10. Just do that, man. Alright, that's our word, my general. I'm gonna do that for you, man. Don't say nothing more. That's our next word, my general. I'm gonna hear road. Let me see her at the bus stop. I'm gonna put in a word for you, man. I'm gonna tell her, say, you're the man, boy, you hear? Yeah, Majestic, I some know you're real youth, you know. Yeah, man, just do that for me, man. Majestic, keep the link. Know we are friend already, you know. Don't say nothing more, man. Ah, my general. Do it for do. We link. Yo, man, I know, yo. I must get that, yo. Go in and see what one pinky she a deal with, you know. Yo, boy, I tell her sometime, yo. I couldn't turn back the hands of time, yo. Pinky. Must have phone she dep on in there, you know. So if on Instagram or TikTok she dep on me, change my name.
Why are you calling out my name in your dirty mouth?
Pinky, me I call out your name? Me?
Yes, I heard you.
Jeez and peace, Pinky. Me? You saw me coming at peaceful, Pinky. And you start disrespect me?
Just stop calling me name out of your mouth.
Everything good, Pinky. Everything good. Call on no use and tail until him lose it, man. Everything alright, man. Don't worry, man. Anytime man the ticker start link, you so know, man. So stop sleeping as a man.
Good evening, Mommy.
Good evening, Mommy.
Good evening, my babies. How was school?
It was good. Where's Daddy?
He's in his room.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to him.
Hey, Mally, baby, what's going on?
I'm good.
Daddy, we need to talk about something.
Oh, go on, MJ. I see him teacher boy again.